everyone, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You ready for your sneak peek fire sale for October 2nd? Here you go. Here's all the stuff. So, number one, we have, of course, the reserve signs. Let me hold it up here. You get 4 of these for $10. So we have 2 available, 2 sets of 4. So there's actually a total of 8. Red Goblet candle. It's a concrete candle. How cool is that? And it's going to be well padded. Don't worry. Red Goblet candle number 2, $10. Then we have number 3, a 5x7 picture frame. That is the easel style. It is magnetic for $5. Then number 4 is a 52-inch square tablecloth. You see the cute blue color there, $5. Number 5 is a foil mates holiday decor DIY item for $5 there.
For Christmas.
Yes, holiday, Christmas. And then number 6 is an area PJ set. That's kind of a black and white leopard print that is size large for $15. Then number 7 is a crop top Hawaii Free People size medium long sleeve sweatshirt for $15. Number 8 is a purple extra large Style & Company $20 sweater. Number 9 is a girls toy lot for $20. Number 10 is a queen/king bed skirt for $5. Number 11 is another magnetic easel picture frame, but it goes vertical instead of horizontal for $5. Number, that was right. Number 12 is an eagle claw folding knife for $10, 4 available. Number 13 is an Abbott Maine blue hoodie for $15, and that is a size medium. Number 14 is a simple gray top, size 2X for $15. Number 15 is a designed black top, size large for $15. It's a sleeveless ruffled shirt. Number 16 is Ziploc storage bags for $15. Number 17 is the Tequila Gold men's cologne. $45 is what I'm selling it for on the fire sale. It's normally $60 on my store. Number 18 is an awesome tool holder where you get to hang brooms and mops and all that stuff. Perfect for a utility closet, $5. Number 19 is an awesome boot shoe tree where you put this inside your boots and it keeps your boots in the correct posture all year long. So that is $5. Number 20 is a Sienna size large blue top for $15. Number 21 is an INC International Concepts blue sweater size 2X for $15. Number 22 is a Karen Scott extra large blue sweater for $15. Number 23 is a Style & Company purple top size 3X for $15. Number 24 is a white picture frame set. You get 3 of these large white picture frames for $10, all 3 of them. It does come with a mat. Number 25 is a huge, giant blue towel. 54 inches is the longest length, which is crazy, humongous, for $5. Number 26 is a pillowcase bundle for $15.
3 different pillowcases.
3 different pillowcases. Thank you. And then what number are we on? Sorry.
27.
Number 27 are those ring noodles for ring sizing. You can make them smaller or tighter. $5. You get you get 2 packs of those ring noodles, which I think is a total of 8 of the little clear ring noodles inside there. Number 28 is a Hannah Moray. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. Perfume, butterfly perfume, $10. There are 4 available on this week's fire sale. Number 29 are these awesome blue glitter facial masks. They should be fun to play with. 5 total in each pack, $5. So they're basically $1 a piece. Those would be a fun girl's gift for a sleepover or just a fun lady's gift. Number 30, a Zoya nail polish. They are colors Rue Pink, so see it's kind of a pinkish color, $10. You get 5 of them for the $10, and we have 7 available. Then we have a Tommy Tippy set, which is basically a pump and go starter kit for moms. This is normally around $80 on Amazon. It's $40 on our fire sale. Number 32 is an awesome black ruffle purse for $40, faux leather. Number 33 is a Creed in Love white perfume set. We have 4 available at $100 a piece, which is way cheaper.
$380 on Amazon.
$380 on Amazon, so we're giving you a deal. Molten Brown perfume is number 34 for 25 bucks, and that's about half off as well, maybe a little more than half off. 4 of those available. We have a craft lot for 20 bucks. That there is available. Then number 36 is the Farmer toothpick knife, a great stocking stuffer gift idea, 5 bucks. We have 6 available on today's fire sale. Number 37 is a gray backpack, which is awesome. It's actually can be a diaper bag or a backpack, and it is fully lined and insulated. $20. Someone said carrying wet things would be feasible in these bags. Number 38 is a craft lot with candles in it. $20. Number 39 is In the End Jesus Wins signs, 2 of them available on the fire sale for $15. Then we have a black diaper bag similar to the gray one. You can use it for a cooler or a diaper bag. $20. It is backpack style, 2 of them available. Number 41 is a crib mattress pad for $10. Number 42 is some Cat and Jack black shoes, size 2 for toddler size 2, not big girl size 2, but toddler size 2, $5. We actually have 4 pair available. They're black with a little bit of fleck of sparkle. Number 43 is our slime bundle. You get all 5 of those different kinds of slimes. They might vary in color, but you're going to get all 5 of those kinds for $10. Number 44 is our Milwaukee bag. There's only 1 on the table, but we have 2 available for $100. It is an electric tool bag with basically Kevlar threading so that you won't cut through it with any kind of tool. People carry circular saws, all sorts of things. Those are really expensive bags. Number 45 is a New Wave infrared oven, kind of like air cooker meets crock pot meets air fryer meets everything. Yeah, it does all things. So $100 for that. Look it up, New Wave oven. See how much they are. We're giving you a deal. New Wave oven. $100. Number 45. Number 46 is our first aid kits for $25. We have 2 available on today's fire sale. Number 47 is the Nicole Miller nail set. We've got 5 available at $5 a piece. Number 48 are the 20, I think they're 21 inch. Is that what they say? I can't tell.
Can't tell.
The Dell monitors, I'll have to look. I think they're 21 inch or 24 inch. I'll have to look. Dell monitors, $100. There are 2, so you can have dual monitors, exactly the same kind. Brand new. Number 49 is the craft lot with Easter items in it. $15 is all we're asking for that craft lot. Then we've got the Givenchy perfume, $40. 3 sets available. We do have some online, but not very many. Number 51 is the essential oil sets, $15, and we have 6 available. Then we have the women's Depends size medium. We have 4 boxes available of those, and they are women's because they are pink in color, but they're size medium, $20. Then we have the Purell hand sanitizer. A lot of you have been asking me about. You get all 4 of the bottles in each box. So when you buy the Purell hand sanitizer for $20, you're going to get a box of 4 of those bottles. So we have lots available. 12, I think. 12 available. Yes. Number 54 is the Vapo Steam. You put it inside of a vaporizer and it helps you breathe better at night. It's a 2-pack for $10. Number 55 is our famous boxing robots that can be controlled by an app. You put it together like a Lego, $60. We have 4 of them available. Then we have our Clinique set, $10. There's a lot of Clinique lovers out there and they have good facial sets, $10. We have 6 of those available on today's sale. Then we have, of course, our Pink Leaf nail set, which is an awesome set. It is number 57, $5, and we've got 6 of those available on today's sale as well. Then we have the large bottles of Purell right there, number 58, $15 for the large bottle of Purell. Purell is difficult to come by. You know, this may seem pricey, but you can't find this brand. Then we have the gift wrap storage bag for $10 that you put all your gift wrapping in. Number 60 is the bath rug set that is black in color for $20. Number 61 is the picture frame that is black in color for $5. I believe that's an 8x10. Then we have number 62 is the decorative antique hooks you saw me open on the live stream today. There's kind of one of them. They all look a little bit different, but similar enough to go together. $10 for all 3 of those metal hooks. Number 63 are black star night lights that plug right into the wall with a switch on them. They're really, really cool. Black star night lights, $5 a piece. We have 2 of them. Then number 64 is our hand sanitizing wipes, not counter cleaning wipes, but hand sanitizing wipes with some aloe in it, $10. We have 6 available. Number 65, we have a pillow protector. Each package has 2 allergy pillow protectors in there, $5 for each package, 3 available. Number 66, we have these can covers. Didn't know what they were used for until we read the box, and then we realized, hey, look, they're awesome. You basically open a can of green beans and boom, now you have a plastic cover for your can of green beans. $10. Yes, they have the big, like, Bush's baked bean size as well as the regular size. So $10 for the whole set of can covers. Number 67 is a weekday closet shelf organizer. $5. We have 5 available and they're listed Monday through Friday. Saturday? Oh, it says weekend. That's what it is. All right. Then we have number 68, the wooden tissue box to hide those ugly paper boxes, $5. Number 69 is a set of Minecraft curtains. I believe there are both panels in there, 2 panels in there. Yep. 2-panel set of Minecraft curtains, $10. Number 70 is these are awesome magazine holders. I don't know if you can zoom in real well on them, but it's a kit that basically will hold 8 separate pockets of regular size magazines or papers. You did a good job zooming in there. So I do have some listed on Hooked on Pickin, so if you want to see a larger picture, you can see them there, but you'll get to the bundled shipping if you buy them on the fire sale. $15. We have 6 available of those magazine portable holders, which would be really nice for display. Number 71 are glass cutters, a tool that actually cuts glass for $5. We've got 2 available. Number 72 is an awesome cross trinket box for $5. Stick your earrings or rings or whatever you want in that box. Number 73 is an awesome stopwatch for $5. Number 74 is an actual black mailbox with a red flag. It's a black metal mailbox, $30 for the mailbox, number 74. And then number 75, we have 2 of these available. They are bamboo glass domes. So it's a glass dome with a bamboo tray in the bottom. I'll get it out tomorrow. $10 a piece for number 75. If you haven't seen them, I did unbox them on the live stream that was on Thursday. So hopefully you guys found something fun that you want in the sneak peek for the fire sale, and we will see you all tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time for our Friday fire sales right here on the YouTube channel. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.